guys, it's Ariel with Seattle Coffee here, and today we are going to be doing something a bit new. It's called Under Pressure, so it is going to be a throwdown, Jake versus Pat, and they're going to be working with eggnog, which is the ingredient they have to use in their drink. So they're going to dial in these grinders, and they have 8 minutes to get them dialed in, and then from there they're going to hop right in and make their drinks. So why don't we get started? Alrighty, Jake, Pat, you have 8 minutes to get your grind dialed in. Your time starts now. Alrighty, so they both have brand new grinders, so they're going to have to open up the bean gate and get everything dialed in from scratch in 8 minutes.
Portafilters are hot. Don't forget that.
You doing all right over there, guys?
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
It's pretty good.
So, Pat, how are you planning on using the eggnog today?
I haven't decided all the way yet. I'm gonna kind of wing it. I think I'm gonna try to do something weird.
Ooh, how weird are we getting?
Jake's so stable. I think Jake's gonna try to do something really conventional that just tastes better than what I'm making. But I'm gonna make something more interesting.
Okay.
He's not wrong.
Jake, what are you thinking for the eggnog?
It's probably just going to be an eggnog latte.
Okay.
That's fast. That's not good. That's close.
Pat is having some shot issues here. Looks like his shots are pulling fast.
Maybe with a little peppermint.
Gonna go with a bit of peppermint.
Finer. Okay.
So it looks like Pat is currently trying to get a second shot going here. Jake is on his first.
Do you know what I realized we don't have? Is timers. So we're gonna have to count.
You can use the scales as your timers.
Yeah, or we can just count the time in our head. That always works, right?
All right.
That's a great.
Jake's shots are running long.
Yeah, super long. I think I got too fine and too much coffee.
What dose are you guys using? Are you using the standard 18 grams for a double shot?
I'm doing 17.
I'm going 14.
Okay.
A little bit of a shorter shot because our cups are pretty small.
Ah. All right, so Pat is on his third shot. Jake is working to get his second shot adjusted.
Not getting anyone.
All right, guys, you have 5 minutes to go. 5 minutes. After that, you've got to use whatever you have and just pray to the coffee gods for mercy.
And make a huge mess. The one time I don't care about the mess.
Mm-hmm.
We'll try there. Tiered. Consistency. The key.
You getting close over there, Pat?
No.
You can do it. I believe in you.
That's pretty good, actually.
Jake, you're on your, what, third shot?
Me?
Yeah.
This is just my
Okay.
second.
Yeah, I'm on my third one now.
That looks pretty good.
You happy? You happy with the results, Jake?
I think so.
Okay. So it looks like Jake is dialed in about halfway through the time limit.
Can we taste it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And what are you guys dialing in
Salad.
today, by the way?
Tony's, it's a crew brew.
Ah, that's a good one.
Yeah. I don't know.
I'm pretty happy with that.
Ooh. All right, Pat. Pat is ready to go. Jake, you've got a little over 3 minutes.
I'm
Mine just
shocked.
needs a little bit.
Yeah. All that practice with all the machines that I've been making
Right.
drinks on the last couple months.
This served you well.
Clearly. What a delicious espresso crew brew is.
Nice. I am excited to try what you guys are going to make. This is an interesting turn of the tables. It's usually me that's making the beverages.
Okay. So what I'm doing is I actually down dose
Okay.
and ground a little finer. So I did a little bit of both. That's not usually recommended, but I think it's what it needs.
Gotcha.
I just winged it the whole time.
You know?
And I counted my shot in my head, so I don't know how it came out.
There you go.
Enough. Fast.
Okay. Too fast.
All right, 2 minutes to go.
So I'm keeping the same grind, but I'll just dose another gram. Something is so fast. That's 17.
I think you should get to finish your shot if you know
Yeah.
time is called while you're tamping.
Yeah, I agree.
I am very much in that ballpark of I retamp a lot. And I know you're not supposed to do that, but yeah.
I'm pretending I'm not seeing that.
Look, we're exploring what you do when you're actually working with one of these machines,
Yeah.
making drinks for yourself.
All right, you've got
Oh no.
45 seconds.
Oh no! You could maybe get another one in there. I think as long as you've got it ground. Oh boy, this is.
Oh, we're cutting it close here.
Oh god.
20 seconds.
Half of it just came out, so.
Oh. Jake, come on.
I'm laying, now
Oh,
I'm
you're
laying
good. You're good.
ground-
10.
You can finish this shot.
Now I'm laying ground coffee that spilled everywhere. Watch it be the worst one yet.
All right, you are officially in overtime.
Okay. Last chance. Ooh, this is sounding good.
Oh.
Ooh.
We're looking promising here.
It's a little fast
It's a little
still,
fast,
but
like-
hey,
It's better than it was.
yeah. I think it's fine if you want to try to
All right,
like
Just put a
make.
little more eggnog. It'll be fine.
Yeah.
it's fine. Okay, so 8 minutes, 23 seconds. Alrighty, so Pat, Jake, you've got your eggnog
Yep.
Yes.
ready to go? All right.
Ready to steam.
So you've got to use the syrups as well.
Mm-hmm.
You don't have a time limit, so whenever you're ready, just go for it.
Okay. Okay. I think I'm gonna go with a little bit of caramel.
All right, so it looks like Pat has gone with caramel. Jake, what are you using?
I think I'm gonna do like a peppermint bark type situation.
Okay.
Because I think the eggnog will fill in well for the white chocolate,
Okay,
and then dark chocolate, peppermint. We'll try it.
sounds interesting.
I'm gonna also go with just a teeny bit of peppermint because that sounds really weird. With caramel.
Oh boy.
Just a little. Just a little.
Just
Not-
a
not
just
too
a whisper.
much. Yeah, just like not even a splash, like a dripper.
And then the eggnog, I actually made that.
Yeah, we didn't mention that.
Yeah. So it's just a really simple recipe. It is 4 eggs, 8 ounces of heavy cream, a pint of whole milk, a little bit of bourbon, like 2 ounces of bourbon, and a lot of fresh nutmeg. And you actually, since we're steaming it, you actually want to make sure that you temper the mixture before that. So what you do is you whip up the eggs, and then you heat the milk in a saucepan, and you just slowly add it to the eggs, cook it for a few minutes, and then strain it.
Well, I don't know how much of this to put, so I just put as much as felt right.
Okay.
That's what I'm working with. I may have to use way too little. I don't know.
You measured with your heart.
No.
You doing all right over there?
When you turn on your skills after you already ground,
Oh no.
Oh no!
it's fine.
Oh no. All right, so Pat has his shot going on that first drink. We a little
much
fast.
faster than my tamp wasn't tight enough.
Uh-oh.
Oh no!
Oh no.
That could be the equalizer.
You've got to, whatever shot you pull, you've got to use it.
Yeah.
So what I'm doing is that last time it still ran fast when I was dialed in. So I'm going to updose like 1/3 of a gram because I
Okay.
can't change the grind setting, but I can change the dose.
Okay.
And
This is sneaky. This is sneaky.
I don't know.
it's not invincible.
Sounds like somebody's making new rules over here.
I mean, to be fair, we didn't really establish any. All right, we have steaming action over here with Pat.
But the big problem is if I get this wrong, then nothing comes out for like 20 seconds.
And I'll
then-
just be like drinking hot eggnog.
Yeah. Which doesn't sound...
It doesn't sound terrible, but I think you do have to have some coffee in there.
Oh,
That
gosh.
was wrong. That was the wrong way to turn it off.
Oh, I'm nervous for this one.
And we have espresso.
Extra important to purge your steam on when you're steaming with eggnog.
Yeah, like steam it a few extra seconds.
Still ran fast.
All right, Pat is pouring his drink.
I can't promise latte art. It just is a blob.
I think for this first one we'll be judging by the milk texture rather than the actual art. So
I don't know. I think if Jake can pour some eggnog art, then I'm willing to bow to that a little bit.
You have...
that would be impressive.
She's screaming eggnog.
She is screaming.
You cut it with a little bit of milk.
Yeah.
I didn't add too much, but maybe.
Ooh, the foam's looking not that bad, pal.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, he's gonna try to go for the art pour.
Okay.
Never in my life has this been successful, but, you know, maybe today...
Maybe today is the
I
day.
did a Christmas tree one time. Once.
Exactly once.
Yes. Never again.
Wait, to be fair, latte art is not my strong suit either.
It's hard to do.
I mean, usually I end up with an inappropriate shape, so I have to just like stir the drink.
Oh, what's that? Is that like a...
It's a pumpkin.
It's a pumpkin?
It's a pumpkin, yeah. Or a bell.
It's a pumpkin with shadows and ghosts around it.
Oh, it's a spoopy latte. It's like, you know, those
Mine
ghost
is a-
stories that you
mine's
tell
a
before
very
Christmas.
full tree.
Ah,
Maybe I can...
should I sneak in
I'm not
there?
gonna ruin it. It's fine.
It's perfect.
That's the best latte art I've ever actually done.
Okay. Well, Okay.
That was the first time I've ever
Oh,
had
you
it
just go on into
on the
frame, yeah.
surface.
Okay. All right, let's see what we've got here. Yeah, Jake definitely has a ghost. And then you have, you've got like
It's
a little,
tree.
like
You
a
got
tree.
It's like a tree trunk, and then the big, like, full leaves. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it could just be like a
Um,
poorly poured cappuccino, but
Wow.
and
Only snack talk
the
we've seen.
shade has been thrown. All
I
right.
was just saving it all up for the end.
Aw. So vicious. All right, Pat, so remind me what I'm drinking again?
Okay, so we've got caramel and then a very little bit of peppermint in there with the eggnog.
It smells good. The foam is actually pretty nice. Like it's, cappuccino-y.
Oh no.
I'm not gonna lie. I think the peppermint was a mistake.
Oh no.
Yeah.
I too have peppermint.
Oh boy. How much peppermint did you use?
More than he did.
Yeah, I used like a few drops. It was practically like a dropper used.
Okay, it's not bad.
Your words say one thing, but your face says something different.
It's just not my favorite.
That's fair.
But the espresso actually does taste like it's pretty nicely dialed.
That's impressive because
Yeah.
that shot was not as good as the one at the end of my dialing in process.
And like the foam, the milk texture is actually pretty good too, which is also impressive considering the fact that there is a lot of eggnog in there. Okay, Jake, you ready?
Nope,
No?
absolutely not. I know for a fact there's not enough foam in it.
No. But, I mean, the contrast is actually pretty decent. Like, you got a nice little pattern in there. And then you had chocolate and peppermint.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This one actually does work better.
Okay.
Because I think the chocolate works better with peppermint than the caramel does.
I mean, what did I say?
Yeah.
Jake made a peppermint mocha. I had to do something.
Yeah,
cool.
you
I had
did.
to-
You
I
did
had to
get
roll the
creative.
dice.
Yeah, you did.
I could have used raspberry. That was the other.
You
thought
could
that I had.
have.
Oh, that's right. It is just a peppermint mocha.
Yeah.
A peppermint eggnog.
With eggnog.
mocha.
Yeah, I actually like this one because that kind of plays nicely off of the creaminess and the nutmeg.
Should have used vanilla.
Well, you live and you learn, right, Pat?
I guess. I bet.
Although I will say that you, in terms of like the milk texture, you do win. The shots actually are like the espresso for both is pretty good. So, but overall, like if I had to pick one to drink again, I would go with yours, Jake.
Yes.
So yep, we have our winner. It's the peppermint mocha eggnog latte thing.
Awesome.
Sweet. Well, we'll have to do this again.
Yes, this is
Yeah.
very fun.
Yeah.
Thank you for judging.
Yeah, thank you.
Anytime. What do you think we should do next time?
Oh, we're gonna have to think about it.
Like latte art into ridiculous vessels?
That'd be fun.
It's a fun idea.
Like a soup ladle. Well, thank you for joining us. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you for the next Under Pressure.
Yeah, thank you.